Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys what we do with our Expedition Butters. People are always asking about bulletproof coffee. That's awesome. We like to do our own little version. We call it Bombproof coffee. You get your fats from the pili nut. You get your amazing amount of minerals from the pili nut. You get a little bit of fat and MCTs from the coconut oil we use in the pili nut butter. And then you also get your adaptogen lion's mane if you use this particular flavor. This is one of our favorites. People really love this. You get your little pumpkin spice latte, right? Yeah, so you get your adaptogens from the lion's mane mushroom. We're using a French press. You can do it however you like. A lot of people like to use something a little different, a blender. But for today's purposes, we're just gonna use our little frother. Fill up your coffee, take your Expedition Pili butter, full keto, no added sugar, 200 calories of fat. Throw it in your coffee. Awesome. There's always a little left in the container. I'll just slurp that up. Take your frother. And you'll see this makes an amazing, frothy, hot coffee. I can smell the pumpkin spice. It smells like New England in the fall. Amazing. Pretty good in summer though too. This frother is high speed, so we don't want to go too crazy. There you go. All the goodness in a cup of coffee. What we see with a lot of the powdered creamers is they just clump up. This, you don't even actually have to use a frother. You can do it with a spoon. I love you to the mountains and back. Expedition style. So you guys, not only do we do our pili nut butters, Expedition butter, if you want a little extra added boost, a little extra fat and protein, our friend PNW Keto Mama, Pacific Northwest Keto Mama, you can check her out on Instagram. She likes to do this. She'll crack an egg after she puts it in, put your egg in, and then carefully froth that up. And the egg actually cooks a little bit in there. Sort of like Rocky Balboa style. Lots of protein. There you go. That's all you got to do. You got your egg. You got your Expedition Pili butter. And you're ready to head to the mountains or to the office, whatever it is you're in.